Hello SSS members and pensioners. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin guys, paano kapag ang isang SSS member ay may mga unpaid loans at namatay? May makukuha pa bang death claim sa SSS? Yan ang naging comment ng viewer natin at itatago ko na lang ang pangalan niya. Sabi niya, ask ko lang po, paano po pag may utang po yung namatay na member? May makukuha pa ba akong death benefits? Kapag ang isang SSS member ay namatay at meron siya mga unpaid loans, ang kanyang outstanding balance, kasama na dito ang principal amount, ang interest, at penalties kung meron, yun po ay ibabawas po lahat doon sa benefits na makukuha ng kanyang beneficiary sa SSS. Once na nabawas na lahat yan guys, doon na ma-determine ni SSS kung qualified ka ba for lump sum or for monthly pension. So depende na rin sa status ng member na namatay. Kung makikita nyo ngayon dito sa screen guys, ito yung mga possible deductions from the death benefits. So number 1, all unpaid short-term member loans of members claiming for retirement benefit, whether or not the term of payment has expired as of contingency date, shall be deducted in full from the proceeds of the benefits payment. So ito na yung sinabi ko kanina na lahat ng mga outstanding balance, principal, interest, penalties, i-deduct yun doon sa makukuhang benepisyo ng kanyang beneficiary sa SSS. So number 2, na possible na ibawas sa death benefits. The amount of settled unemployment benefit may be deducted, either in partial or full, from the retirement benefits of the member in the event of the following. So overlapping of benefits. Like for example guys, yung member na namatay ay nabigyan siya ng SSS unemployment benefits o kaya sumubra ang pagbigay sa kanya ng SSS unemployment benefits na hindi naman dapat. So, ibabawas din po yun. Okay? So, pangalawa, when the involuntary separated employees file a case or complaint against his or her employer and the final and executory resolution thereof showed. So, ito ang reason. Kumbaga, ang nakalagay dito guys, let's say for example, babalik sa trabaho yung tao or wala pang 2 months, na-re-employed na siya, nagtrabaho na ulit siya. Okay, kung merong history ng ganyan, yung member na namatay guys, so possible din na ibabawas yun sa kanya ni SSS. Again ha, para lang naman to sa mga naka-avail ng SSS unemployment benefits. Okay, so number 3, overlapping sickness and partial disability benefits shall be deducted from the proceeds of the benefit payments. May overlapping din doon sa sickness and partial disability na na-avail ni member. So, ibabawas din yun sa kanya. And then the last one, number 4, overpaid pension due to dependent's death, employment, or marriage shall be deducted from the monthly pension. So for example, yung namatay na member ay isa ng pensyonado, no? At nagkaroon ng overpayment doon sa kanyang pensyon. Lalo na kapag patay na pala yung dependents niya, pero tuloy pa rin ang pagbigay ng dependents pension, tapos nalaman ni SSS. So kung ano yung mga sumusobra doon guys, ibabawas din yun ni SSS doon sa member na namatay. Okay, so diniscuss ko lang din sa inyo to guys, yung possible deductions from the death benefits para aware din po kayo na hindi lang unpaid loans ang maaaring ibawas ni SSS na benefits na ma-avail ng beneficiaries kapag ang member na namatay at meron siya mga ganitong possible case na pwedeng ibawas pa doon sa benepisyo niya. Okay, so sa nag-comment po, I hope nasagot ko po ang inyong katanungan. That's all for my video for today. Thank you so much for watching everyone. God bless you all.